Hi everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating history of Algeria, a country with a rich heritage, diverse cultures, and a resilient spirit. From ancient civilizations and Islamic empires, to French colonization and modern independence, join us as we explore Algeria's incredible journey in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. Our story begins with ancient civilizations. The region now known as Algeria was home to various indigenous Berber tribes. Around 1000 BC, the Phoenicians established trading posts along the coast, leading to the rise of the powerful Carthaginian Empire. After the fall of Carthage, the Romans took over, making Algeria part of the Roman Empire. They built cities, roads, and infrastructure that still influence the region today. With the decline of Rome, Algeria saw the arrival of the Vandals and Byzantines before the Islamic conquest in the 7th century, which brought profound cultural and religious changes. In the early 16th century, the Ottomans incorporated Algeria into their empire. The region became a crucial base for the Barbary pirates who harassed European shipping. The Ottoman rule lasted until the 19th century, leaving a significant imprint on Algerian culture and society. In 1830, France invaded Algeria, beginning over a century of colonization. French rule was marked by harsh repression and significant settlement of Europeans, leading to widespread displacement and suffering among the native population. As time went on, the struggle for independence grew throughout the 20th century. The Algerian War of Independence from 1954 to 1962 was a brutal conflict characterized by guerrilla warfare, civil strife, and immense human suffering. The determination and resilience of the Algerian people ultimately led to victory, and Algeria gained independence on July 5, 1962. Post-independence Algeria faced numerous challenges, including political instability, economic struggles, and a bloody civil war in the 1990s. However, the country has also made significant strides in education, infrastructure, and regional influence, continually striving for progress and stability. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the rich and complex history of Algeria in just 3 minutes. From ancient Berber tribes and Islamic empires to French colonization and modern independence, Algeria's story is one of resilience and cultural richness. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing history content. Thanks for watching. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Algeria's history. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.